Hello guys, welcome back to Sport with YouTube channel, and we are back with another episode of this IPL series which we are currently discussing on. And today's match, oh man, I can't express what I will say, but to be honest, I didn't expect it to go in that way, match. So disappointing. Not being a KKR or even a Punjab King fan, but it was literally disappointing from being a cricket fan to see a team like KKR losing in such a way. So what I will say, and also the controversial wicket, the controversial not out of Lokesh Out. We will discuss it later on. So here we are back again on the new episode, and we are joined by Pushan Bhai again. So Stanshu is missing out today due to his cricket match tomorrow. So here we are starting our video. Like, share, subscribe, and here we go. Okay, first of all, and the name Venkatesh. This man, he has been contributing in each and every field, batting, bowling, fielding. Man, they have got a new Hardik Pandya actually. And yes, to be honest, say that when he will get into the Indian team and when my what I will say that when he will be considered as the A class cricketer. When do it? Considering his form like nowadays.
Mm, Considering his form, he is going good now, but have to wait. As already told, we also discussed this in earlier video, so
Yeah.
can't say anything about because his form can be again he can go out of form ahead the next season. So can't say of basically on this current form. So he has to wait little bit for Indian team for entry in the Indian team now.
Okay, but I will contradict your point by saying that even you can see the previous year, Rahul Tewatia got chance into the Indian squad just after playing well in that one match against the Punjab Kings against Sri Lanka Cottrell. You know that Rahul Tewatia actually got chance into a reserve 11 of sorry, reserve bench of the India versus England tour, or even got selected the India versus Sri Lanka tour. So do you think that this is contradicting actually the chances of Venkatesh Iyer getting into the Indian team?
Yeah, might be they can surely try him because we have our upcoming home season, so he might get a chance. Let's see if he gets a chance, then that's good. So that's good for him.
Also, we were coming back to the Shuman Gill, man, that was a great wicket from Harshit. The ball literally goes forth in between the bat and the legs, and it goes right behind it. It was a great wicket from Shuman Gill, actually. Okay, next coming up is the major problem, that is the form of the kicker captain Jan Morgan. This man has been disappointing since the start of the tournament and has not been able to score any bigger runs in this tournament. And even in the phase two, he suffered miserably. So, do you think that KK should go for a new captain like Shakib Al Hasan, bring Shakib Al Hasan into the squad back again as he's an all-rounder and has also captained a Bangladesh squad for a long and long years. So, do you think any kind of players or any kind of inclusion seniority instead of Jan Morgan?
Yeah, he has been out of form since now last IPL. You can say very poor performance batting at any position. He is not able to perform or contribute to the team. So he
Yeah.
has to overcome those difficulties. Mm. And talking about the new captain, can they make
Hmm.
any Indian captain from the current squad or like Shubman Gill or any other? Otherwise,
Will it not be so early for Shubman Gill to be handed a captaincy?
Yep, might be. Then you can hand it back to DK again.
Oh man.
Actually, I feel that after giving captaincy to Morgan, he's out of form. I think not able to perform. Might be captaincy pressure or a burden. You can say. Otherwise, he was performing.
And
Say, otherwise he was performing some odd 30-40 runs. That wasn't
yeah,
there.
yeah.
And but
DBF
now,
edition.
yeah. So but he has now a 9 single-digit scores and average of just 10. So that's a concern for them. Even your captain is not performing, then what can
On
other
the
team
other
can do?
hand, uh, on the other hand, he is the man who has scored, who has given 1860 seconds to one of the world's best spinner, Rashid Khan, and he was the captain of his national squad, which is much more higher than this KKR team. And now, while playing for a small KKR team, he is not able to handle the pressure. But it's not only with Morgan only, it was also with Karthik also. So do you think that KKR are actually going through this phase where captains are not able to perform under pressure? So if they're not able to perform under pressure, so what can be the solution for them? Tricky
As you
question.
can, what can I say? It depends on their management, what they think. But as you said that it would be too early for Shubman Gill too. So
Hmm.
can't say anything right now. They need that one player. So hopefully they will get it. Shubman Gill or any other squad, any other player with that captaincy potential in the squad. Tripathi.
Team Saudi?
Yep, might be because he is leading his national side. So
Uh,
otherwise, Narayan or Russell.
yeah, Russell has captained one of the squads in the CPL.
Hmm.
So I think he might also be a good choice for the captaincy. But I think Shakib Al Hasan to be given because he is the one next after Morgan who has been captaining the national squad actually. So I
But
don't know. Saudi also there.
If Shakib comes
Yeah.
in, then any of the you can say that Sunil Narayan might sit out because due to 4 overseas combination.
No,
But
no,
then
Sunil Narayan is performing. To be honest, he's performing better right now as compared to Morgan. But Morgan is doing nothing else. So I think Morgan should be replaced in place of Sunil Narayan. So now what's your take?
so you want that Morgan should be dropped and Shakib Al Hasan came in his position
Yeah, yeah.
and lead the side. Okay,
Obviously.
not
Okay.
bad, not bad. It would be helpful for their batting order too. Then even Shakib can perform and contribute same as Russell and Narayan. So it would be
Nice.
a boost for them because Morgan is not even performing, and so I feel that Shakib would be handy, as you said.
Okay. Saqib will be the third all-rounder for the team, and it might be different for the Dream 11 selectors select all-rounder. Oh
Venkat
man,
and talking about the Venkatesh Iyer, fourth all rounder,
I are also
fourth all rounder.
four all-rounders. Oh man, still playing with now. Currently, they are playing with three all-rounders. Sorry, three no. Currently, they are playing with two all-rounders and they are losing. Now four. Oh man.
Still they are missing out
Okay.
Russell.
Yeah, yeah. But Russell and Ferguson are out for the injury, so we can't deal with the injury. Injury is
If you can't do
occur.
that, you can't do anything with it. Yeah, they have to
But
maintain their
yeah,
fitness.
but if you see that Lucky Ferguson, the New Zealand bowler, he was also injured and he has been out of the match. Okay, that's fine. But why would you bring up a fit batsman that is a second wicket for team instead of bringing another bowler? You are giving ball to Nitish Rana and even you have given a ball to Venkatesh Iyer, who might be expensive in bowling. He has a chance that he might be expensive in the bowling. So why the KKR management didn't think that they should bring another bowler instead of bringing Team Cypher who has done nothing today?
I feel due to they miss out Russell, I feel they want one batsman down the order who can handle the situation and add some extra runs at the end. So might be they have given chance to Team Seifert, and we have seen him batting down the order in CPL. So his contribution was worthy. So I feel they have brought in him.
But if you see the KK batting, to be honest, I'm saying that up to Narin they were having the batting. But beforehand, when Cummins was there, up to Cummins you can say that they were having the batting lineup. So I don't think that King Cypher was really recorded kind of stuff because Narin also Narin is also a good pinch hitter, and also he can hit big shots. So I don't think the KKR should go for bringing another batsman. Rather, they should have brought another bowler.
They could have brought in Ben Cutting, the all rounder.
Oh, Ben Cutting in KKR.
I checked the squad now, and
Yeah.
otherwise any other batsman. Ben Cutting was good option, bowling all
Yeah,
rounder.
man. The 2016 IPL finishing. Wow.
RCB will never forget him.
But he completely failed in Mumbai Indians, to be honest. After the next 2 seasons, I think he played for the Mumbai Indians, but he failed. Okay, next coming to fact is that if you see wait, forgot the match. Okay. If you see about the Punjab Kings, you are saying that Arshdeep Singh. He's a bright young talent, to be honest, and he has been the one who has been a breakthrough actually from the first. So do you think that Arshdeep Singh might be one of them, might get transferred into our squad soon?
Hope so, because he have PBK's bowling have improved a lot nowadays. RCDP's bowling good line and length, the outside of Yorker's length, as we have seen against MI, he was bowling good under the pressure and giving them a breakthrough constantly. So probably, as I said, because we have now long home season, he might get a chance because and after that again IPL and might be the hectic schedule, so they might rest some main players and these players might get a chance. So hopefully he will get a chance. Probably, let's see what selector thinks.
Now, before coming with controversial decisions, let's start the segment of the pre-season with you, Shanghai. So I'm opening out the quiz now.
How many
By
questions?
the way, guys, yeah, please.
How many questions? 12.
No, 10.
Okay.
Okay, and also, guys, I want to say one thing. We are soon going to hold a debate competition on an IPL topic soon. So please keep following our channel, and we will be soon be including you. Our experts will be there for the debate. They might be taking sides of either favor or disfavor. That matters for them. So we will be contacting you soon. Don't forget to click on the notification to get the notifications. So let's start the quiz right now. Is it the same question I asked? Yes, it's to show actually. Na. Wait. Okay. First question. Ready?
Yes.
Which IPL franchise UV has never played for? Option A, Bangalore. Option B, Hyderabad. Option C, Calcutta.
Kolkata Knight Riders.
Right answer. First, you go on the first one. Next question. Let's go. Who was the icon player of Bengaluru's team in the first season? Icon player. Option 1, Robin Uthappa, Rahul Dravid, Anil Kumble.
Anil Kumble.
Let's see.
I'm actually confused between
Rahul,
I was
Dravid.
confused between those two.
Yeah, both are the legends to be honest.
Yeah. MI's icon player was Sachin Tendulkar.
MI. Okay. Who was the first Indian captain to hold the IPL trophy? Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, or Anil Kumble? Tricky one.
First IPL trophy. MS Dhoni, 2010.
Right answer. 2 out of 3. Let's go for the next. Nah, it's an easy one. I'll not go for this. It's very easy.
You can
Okay,
ask
next question.
questions asked to Sitanshu because we haven't been that we don't share the questions, so I won't be knowing that which questions you asked to him.
I have not asked this question to Sitanshu. It is the first time I'm asking this question to him. That's why. So the question was that which IPL franchise was banned for 2 years, and CSK was one of them. Okay.
Too easy one.
Who has? Man, this is very easy question. I'm going for the another one. You are currently 2 out of 4. Okay.
3 or 4.
No, 2 I think you got. You got Anil Kumble wrong and another one wrong. No, 3 out of 4. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. This one I think I've asked to Shobhit actually. Let's go. Sports start से बात करेंगे. Which team has never made the IPL final? Punjab Kings, Royal Challengers Bangalore, none of the above.
Both have made to final. Third option.
None of the above.
No. How, man?
Which one? Punjab, Bangalore, none of the above. Which one?
None of the above.
Yeah, it's a correct answer. Punjab has already faced KKR in the final. In which
RCB
wicket
has
they
RCB has been
three
3 times. 3 times, yes.
3 times they lost.
इस साल कप ना
Okay. ऐसा होगा भाई. Which Indian player has scored the fastest 100 in the IPL? Yusuf Pathan, Virat Kohli, or Mayank Agarwal?
Yusuf Pathan
Correct answer. 37 ball 100 for
against
Royals
MI.
against the Mumbai MI. तब रोहित नहीं था, मैं DC था. Which two teams made the nah, easier one. Okay. Who was the first cricketer to be sold at the IPL 2021 auction? Here we go. 3 Aussie cricketers are there: Aaron Finch, Glenn Maxwell, Stephen Smith.
Steven Smith.
Right answer. Stephen Smith. Okay. Which player has never captained Pune Warriors India? Steve Smith, Michael. Never captain. Stephen Smith, Michael Clark, Ross Taylor.
Ross Taylor.
Michael Clark.
Oh, I thought he has captain.
Okay. Name the 2 most. Easy one. Krishna Goswami, easy one. Okay. Who was the first overseas player to captain Delhi Daredevils? Now Delhi Capitals. James Hope, Mahela Jayawardene, Kevin Peterson.
James Hopes.
Wow, man. You got today how many right? It's correct also. James Hope is the right answer. You have got one mistake is that you have got 8 out of 10 today. Wow.
8 out of 10.
Great today. Great play for the expert today. Gets a cup. Okay. Kidding. Let's now we'll start a discussion. Now, first of all, coming about Punjab Kings batting. So first of all, as you said, Lokesh and Mayank. No, what I will say, no introduction needed for these two legends. They have started well. Mayank got out. Same similar incident in every other matches. But this time, you see, Lokesh Rahul, as there's one record that when Lokesh and Mayank used to make 100-run partnership, they used to Punjab Kings used to lose 90% of this matches. And today, you see, Lokesh Rahul was until the end, and he returned, and we can see Lokesh.
He was
Lokesh
playing
Rahul
slow
returned.
today.
He was literally control. He was literally being stand on the other side, and Mayank was literally the leader today. So but if you see that in middle order, that is Nicholas Puran and Deepak Gupta, they are a little bit weak. And do you think that they should be dropped? And whom they can bring if Punjab is dropped? Both Nicholas Puran and Deepak Gupta.
If they decide to drop Nicholas Puran, they can bring in Moises Henriquez, all-rounder, you can say. Because what happens to Puran when it comes to IPL, don't know. He was in good form in CPL, as we saw. But and now today they promoted up the order. Still he gave his wicket easily. So that's a concern for them. Puran is not even scoring again at 3, 4, 5, wherever he is coming.
Yeah.
And Deepak Huda. Let me check the squad. Jalat Saxena.
Jala Saxena, man, Kerala player.
Hmm. Good player, as we have seen him performing through Mumbai team.
Hmm.
Or any other Saurabh Kumar, who is this? I don't know. So I feel Jalat Saxena.
It's a big name. He's a domestic player
Because
and has well
I was wanting that Fabian Allard should be in a big, and now today he was playing, so that was good.
as because Chris has taken him out of the tournament.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's come to this controversial not out outcast. So it literally took place in the 18.4 over, and it was literally Lokesh Rahul who has hit the ball, and as you have seen, Rahul Tripathi was the one. So first of like this means it was not been able to understand that the means ball was that the fingers were under the ball or not. But from camera, so it was looking that the ball was literally hitting the ground. So, do you think it was out or not out? The umpires are given literally not out even after giving out the first time. So, do you think that it was out or not out?
As as you are looking to that catch, you can say that there was not any conclusive evidence of that ball is on the fingers or it hasn't touched the ground. So I feel that was given as a not out, because if he zoomed again and checked from another angles too, but he wasn't able to find that conclusive evidence that ball is on his fingers and not touch the ground. So probably I feel he gave not out. No conclusive evidence, so it would be in the favor of batsman.
And also, just for a few
The commentators were saying that it's a clean catch. It should have been out.
oh man,
Ian Bishop and Kevin Peterson. I heard them.
man, controversies are always around IPL. Previous time when Punjab lost, they are saying Deepak Kutta fixing. Now there's now again a controversy that Rahul Tripathi catch was
Now
out or not out.
people are telling that DK was doing that catch drops, poor fielding. That was DK was
Huh.
fixing and all. This match has got that fixing topic like that.
Man, why is DK being you? But DK has a brain fed movement actually there while he was going for the catch, but it happens with that. But the last moment, and even at the end of the match, means even when the match is literally going to be out of your hands, at that moment, Rahul Tripathi actually did the biggest blunder. Catch drop, and it was a great six.
Maybe, he was
What to
running.
expect?
He was
Yeah?
running to a little bit hard. I feel he was running going ahead, so might have slipped from his hands, as we can say, due to dew might be the ball might be, or hands might be sleepy, so the ball can fall outside the boundary, and he was in the speed too, so it was hard to capitalize him.
Also on Instagram, man, Instagram, Facebook, and even other social media platforms. So what the hell is happening? And first of all, that controversy of the out or not out of Rahul Tripathi, and now again Rahul Tripathi only. People are trolling him. What to do, man? Cricket is such a game in which you, not only cricket, but cricket and football are such game in which you will get trolled for not performing a particular match. For example, you see Ronaldo and Virat Kohli. Ronaldo has not scored one goal. People say goodbye, Ronaldo. Virat Kohli not offered for 2 years. Give captaincy to Rohit. Give captaincy to Lokesh Rahul for 20. Blah blah blah.
That's the people's job. They just speak, can't do anything. So
The
that's their
fans are
job.
fickle. The fans are fickle. As said by Daniel Bryan. To be honest, it was actually true. And but as for the fans are never satisfied about anything, and this will also affect him actually. To be honest. So that's it, guys. After this match, I don't have anything much more to live on this planet. God bless you. Kidding. Uh, why comedy jokes for subscriber? Why comedy jokes for subscriber? So like, share, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click on notification option. And yeah, I have done it intentionally. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed my comedy and also the video. Thanks for Bhushan, and bye.
Goodbye.